back to AutoXplore, your one-stop destination for everything on the road and beyond. Today we're diving into the groundbreaking 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, Cadillac's first all-electric, full-size luxury SUV. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you high-quality automotive content, and we're incredibly grateful for your engagement. The first thing that grabs your attention is the Escalade IQ's striking design. Cadillac has reimagined the iconic Escalade for the EV era without losing its commanding road presence. At the front, you'll find a bold, blacked-out grille with an illuminated Cadillac crest at its center. Flanking the grille are slim, vertical LED headlights that add a futuristic touch while staying true to Cadillac's signature design language. From the side, the Escalade IQ boasts a sleek aerodynamic silhouette with sharp lines and sculpted panels that flow seamlessly from front to rear. Sitting on massive 24-inch alloy wheels, this SUV makes a statement like no other. And at the back, the vertical LED taillights extend along the edges of the vehicle, creating a cohesive and modern look. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of space and openness, allowing natural light to flood the cabin while adding a touch of sophistication to the exterior. The Escalade IQ isn't just about luxury, it's about performance too. Confirmed reports reveal that this all-electric SUV is powered by dual electric motors, delivering a staggering 750 horsepower and 785 lp-ft of torque in Velocity Max mode. This powerhouse can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds. An impressive feat for a full-size SUV. But it's not just fast, it's efficient too. Thanks to its 200 QH battery, the Escalade IQ offers an estimated range of 450 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick and convenient with an 800-volt architecture that enables DC fast charging, adding up to 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Whether you're on a road trip or navigating city streets, the Escalade IQ ensures you're never left waiting. Step inside the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ and you'll find yourself surrounded by unparalleled luxury and cutting-edge technology. The highlight of the cabin is the 55-inch full-width LED dashboard, seamlessly integrating the driver display, infotainment system, and passenger screen. This futuristic interface provides everything from navigation to media controls in a sleek and user-friendly format. The seats are crafted from premium quilted leather with intricate contrast stitching, offering both style and comfort. Rear passengers are treated to dual high-resolution screens mounted on the back of the front seats, complete with personalized entertainment options. The ambient lighting runs along the dashboard, door panels, and floor, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that can be customized to suit your mood. The panoramic glass roof enhances the feeling of openness, allowing natural light to flow through the cabin, making every journey a luxurious experience. The Escalade IQ is packed with advanced technology that not only enhances comfort but also prioritizes safety. Cadillac's Super Cruise system is standard, offering hands-free driving on over 400,000 miles of mapped roads in North America. The SUV is equipped with a suite of sensors, cameras, and radar systems for features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Additionally, the Escalade IQ includes augmented reality navigation, projecting turn-by-turn directions directly onto the windshield for an intuitive driving experience. What does all this innovation and luxury cost? The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ starts at approximately $130,000 for the base trim, with higher trims reaching up to $175,000 depending on customization options. Cadillac has confirmed that deliveries will begin in mid-2025 with pre-orders already open. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that redefines what's possible in the EV space, the Escalade IQ is undoubtedly a top contender. Compared to competitors like the Rivian R1S or Tesla Model X, the Escalade IQ stands out with its sheer size, luxurious interior, and unmatched electric range. Cadillac has perfectly blended their legacy of opulence with the demands of a sustainable future, making the Escalade IQ a game changer in the luxury SUV segment. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ, a vehicle that not only redefines luxury but also leads the charge into the future of mobility. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What excites you most about the Escalade IQ? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from AutoXplore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.